can't really control what life throws your way. You name it, and I've been through it all. Thank God there was no stopping me. I knew I had to unleash my savage instincts and go for it. Despite all the odds, some days I woke up feeling lit from within, and on other days, it was just a roller coaster of struggles and tears. But I just had to ride it out through all the magaj mari. And dealing with all the highs and lows that come with life, what really matters at the end is to have the guts to show the world the unfiltered version of you. Obviously, not everyone believed in my dreams, but my friends and family were always there on the sidelines screaming, "Kill it, sis!" Hope is the single greatest thing I've had in this journey. So I urge you girls to own your magic and keep moving onwards and upwards.